Hi, hello. What I have today is Black & Decker power screwdriver. It is no more working. I suspect the battery is gone wrong because it's purchased during 2017, and if I put a full charge, it just lasts for few minutes and it dies. So I have a couple of batteries here. I have 18650 lithium ion and normal nickel cad batteries. So I'll try to figure out if I can fit this lithium ion battery inside this handle. If not, I'll check if I can put this holder in and replace with a normal rechargeable batteries. So let me open this. So there are two screws here. This holds the gearbox in place. To access the battery, we just want to remove these 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I opened this couple of times before because I had a problem with the wiring which came out of the battery. So I'll try to check if this 18650 will fit in. Unfortunately, the grip is too small for the 18650 to fit in. Maybe one single battery will fit in, but this 3.7 volt will not be sufficient enough to power this motor. And charging this 18650 needs a different charger. So I'll check if this holder will get in place. So I couldn't fix the AA battery with the bracket because of this holding here. So what I did is I coupled 4 Enelope batteries together. These are rechargeable batteries with 2000 milliamps. And I'm going to soldering the same way as it is in the stock. First, let me remove the existing wire. Now we have soldered the batteries together. Every wiring is in place. The light is glowing. The switch is working. It doesn't have enough power because it's newly soldered. And let me also check if it's getting charged. It's getting charged. Once after we solder, let's secure the soldering wire. So I plan to tape it. Hi. So what I've done is, instead of AA batteries, I coupled 4 AAA batteries in the same place, because the soldered AA battery didn't fit in properly into the housing, because the rechargeable battery have the leads here. It is unlike flat like the one in the stock. So what I did is I coupled 1100 milliamps battery, and this can easily fit into the space. The stock is 1.2 volt 600 milliamps. I am replacing that with 1100 milliamps 1.2 volt. I also had an option to replace with a mosquito battery, which is 4 volt, but the voltage is small, is little for the screwdrivers. This is just 500 milliamps, so I don't want to use this, even though it fits in perfectly. So now it's time to assemble. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to secure all the wirings with hot glue so it don't come out frequently. What I'm using is a white stick. This is a good adhesive. Perfect. Check before you install the screws.